Hello, little adventurers. Today, we're going on a magical journey through the alphabet. Are you ready to learn your ABCs with some fun and colourful friends? A is for apple. Look at the bright red apples on the tree. Can you say A for apple? B is for bee and bouquet. The bee is buzzing around the colourful bouquet. Can you say B for bee? C is for cat. Look at the cute cat playing with the yarn. Can you say C for cat? D is for dog. The dog is having so much fun in the park. Can you say D for dog? E is for elephant. The elephant loves to splash water with its trunk. Can you say E for elephant? F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. Great job, adventurers! You learned all your ABCs. Remember to practice your letters every day. See you next time for more fun and learning.
T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?